Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of the World of Waterfalls YouTube channel. And in this episode, we're going to pursue the Kegon Otaki or the Kegon Waterfall near Nikko, Japan. Alright, so we're here at the Akichidaira ropeway. This is my first time doing this. It's a bit of a twisty, fast-paced, I guess, because there's some city buses that come up here. But yeah, it's a fast-paced, mostly two-lane, winding road that makes it all the way up here. And yeah, the goal here is to see the Kegon Falls from an unusual view, a bird's eye view, watching the Lake Chuzenji or Chuzenji-ko feeding the mighty Kegon Otaki waterfall. So yeah, we're about to buy a ticket. Let's go check it out. Let's go buy it. You gotta use the machine. Oh, it's not cheap.
It's not in English.
Huh?
Cash only.
Cash only. If you have this ticket, no, we don't have a Nikko pass, so that's okay.
So she's a 1,000, and then
We're all 1,000. Normal fare, so it's 3K. Last up, last down. It's 310. I guess that's good to know.
Did you pay for the parking?
The kuruma, あそこ。
ここね。
はい。
これフリーパーキングチケットね。
Oh, okay.
はい。
中車？
中ね。うん。
はい。
これ出るときあそこのマシーンに入れる。
Oh, okay, okay. わかりました。
はい。じゃあどうぞ。
はいはい。ありがとうございます。Okay, let's go.
What do you need to do?
No, he just said, she just says you put this in the machine to leave. She was like, oh, where'd you park your car? I think that's what she was saying. Yeah. Right? Nai was right. You're gonna do a lot of bowing. Yeah. I wonder how many does he fit. Each one fits. Next ride is at 110. Okay, in 2 minutes. So you get to share this with everybody. Huh? It'll fit. You'll be standing. You'll be packed in like sardines.
I think it's 16.
Huh?
16 people.
16 people? You can have a seat.
Where's the view? Behind us?
Little thingies in the hat.
Little thingies in a hat? No, that's not it. That's not it.
What is it? That's a waterfall.
No, that's a fake one. Is it?
You sure? What is it?
Yeah, maybe it's. Well, I don't know, because I see a lot of infrastructure around it. But yeah, it might be. But that's not Kegon Otaki. Oh, nice. You got it with the mountain on. Hmm? There's the car park. All right.
はい、ドアが開きます。はい、こちらですね、頭ご注意ください。はい、こちらになります。
This is a cross-okay place. It's cold. You should buy your jacket.
Yeah, I think I regret not bringing my jacket now. There's a little bit of a wind chill up here. That's Kegon no Taki over there. There's two waterfalls.
Il y a 2 points sur le i.
May I take a video of you? Well, I take a video.
So here we are at the top of the Akechidaira ropeway. We're actually at the observation platform. Yeah, as you look around the observation platform, you can kind of see the size of it. Right now, in this direction, down there is the car park for the ropeway. You can kind of see the gondola down there at the station, and as you can see, that's where the car park is. And then in the distance, there's some buildings and some activity going on. I'm not sure if that's Nikko or that's just some other town, and Nikko is a little further in that direction. But if you look in the opposite side of the railway, I mean the observation deck, check this out. So this view right here, you can see the Kegon no Taki waterfall. That's the big one to the left. Down below is the Shirakumo waterfall. Both of these, I believe they're fed by that lake back there, which is the Lake Chuzenji or Chuzenji-ko. And yeah, I think when we're done doing this ropeway, we're gonna head on down there at the Kegon no Taki Falls.
はい、お待たせいたしました。
はい。ありがとうございました。Okay. All right, we're here at the P2 parking lot. You can see there's some like commercial stuff going on here, and we're now pursuing the elevator to go down to the bottom of the Kegon no Taki waterfall. So let's go. All right, going up to this ticket window. Chiketo. She's Jonisai. Oh, okay. Look at that. You get a nice view of Mount Nantai back there. They even tell you the flow rate. Today is 0.3. It's coming.
Stop.
Do, 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 do,
All the
do.
way in the back.
Well, this one's not terribly occupied. All right, down we go.
水しぶきを上げて97メートルの高さを一気に流れる雄大な華厳の滝をご堪能ください。
Ooh, it's chilly here. Yeah, we are. Observation punto. There it is, the Kegon Waterfall. All right, so here we are at the bottom of the lookout platform for the Kegon no Taki waterfall. This waterfall behind me is said to be about 90 meters tall. Maybe if you're looking at that main drop, I don't know, I'm kind of skeptical if it's really 90 meters of just that part alone. But as you can see, there's more to it, right? There's more cascading. And it even goes down another waterfall down there called the Nehan Waterfall. Now check this out. Up there, basalt columns, right? Very hard rock. So that kind of tells you the kind of geology that gave rise to a vertical waterfall like that. Let me show you around this platform too. This lower deck. You can kind of see there's also stairs so we can go up to the upper deck. But before I do that, let me show you a little bit more of the Nehan waterfall down there. I don't know if you can see it, but that waterfall down there, the Nehan waterfall. Now this waterfall over here, I'm not sure what it is. It doesn't really have a name. I have a feeling that it's kind of somewhat diverted. It might be diverted to keep water away from this platform and undercutting the pillar or something like that. I think there's some engineering going on here. But as you can see, it goes a long way down. Long way down. And then back up to the upper platform. Let me show you that too. So I'll go up to the upper platform where this is where most of the crowd is. So behind me right here is the tunnel that leads to the elevator back up to the car park and all the amenities. And you can see down here there's a little bit kind of a mezzanine area and some more shopping. I'm going to go up here to the very top where it's a little bit more peaceful. So here we are. This is the uppermost of the lookouts beneath the elevator. You can see even here, it's not a bad view of the Kegon no Taki waterfall. You see that? And again, you can see the mountains behind, the cliffs behind, undercut by this river, fed by the lake Chuzenji-ko. And then you can see, well, looks like the tour bus crowd kind of dispersed a little bit, but they were all kind of crowding that mezzanine area down there. So yeah, that's pretty much the tour of the, at least the bottom of the elevator shaft area, the lookout platform for the Kegon no Taki waterfall. You know, what I consider to be one of Japan's top 10 waterfalls. I think I made it number 2 or something like that. And it's even a bigger bonus that it's near the World Heritage temples and shrines of the Nikko area, which is where we're going to be coming, staying at and going to next. Or do we have to wait? You're gonna fit? Oh, I think you gotta wait. Yeah. Yeah, let's go up. Maybe a picture for every 10 meters? I don't know. Yeah. We're going out this way. Arigatou gozaimasu.